In this video we will show you what to do if your iPhone 12 won't turn on anymore. When a premium smartphone like the iPhone 12 just powers down and won't turn back on, most of the time the problem can be easy to fix, especially if there are no visible signs of physical damage. So here's what you need to do about it. First solution, do the forced restart. Most of the time when an iPhone gets stuck on a black screen without apparent reason or cause, it should be just due to a firmware problem. It's something you can fix on your own without having to bring your device to the Genius bar. Here's how you do it. Quickly press and release the volume up and the volume down buttons. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your iPhone to perform the forced restart or simulated battery pull procedure. If the Apple logo shows, release the power key and allow the device to continue the boot process. If you are able to make your iPhone boot up or even show the logo, it means that it's still capable of turning on. At this point, you can say that the problem is fixed. However, if your iPhone 12 is still stuck on the black screen or won't turn on, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge and do the forced restart. It is possible that the battery is just drained, and that can be the reason why the device won't respond even to the forced restart procedure. If you've already tried connecting it to the charger and it won't respond, that's just one of the signs of the firmware crash, but don't worry, this problem is fixable. Here's what you need to do. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet using the original charging cable. Connect your iPhone 12 to the charger. Regardless of whether the charging sign shows or not, leave the device connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, do the forced restart procedure while the iPhone is still connected to the charger. Again, as long as it's not due to a hardware damage, your iPhone 12 should already be booting up by now. However, if the second procedure is still not able to make your device work again, then it's time to set up an appointment at the Genius bar. If it's a hardware issue, as long as it's within the conditions of the warranty, it might be replaced. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.